Hello and welcome to a demonstration on entering standard classroom attendance in SAS, or the Student Administration System. So first of all, you log in, and then under Student Admin you can see Add, Edit, Display Attendance, or under Program Admin, same thing, Add, Edit, Display Attendance. We do not use attendance at the course level, it's all entered at the program level. So you can use Enter Attendance or Edit Attendance. They both take you to the exact same place, which lists the programs that you are teaching. We're using this one for our example. Now what you're going to see is the current week's attendance from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, and this will show up until the next Sunday. Okay, so this is from the 5th of February to the 11th of February. This will show up until about midnight on Sunday the 12th. So you have lots of time to enter your attendance. Now, you need to enter attendance for each day of the week. However, I promise you it's quick and easy. So this particular program that we're using in the example has 4 hours of attendance each day, just for the example. So I'm going to start with this day here. On the 5th of February, it's a Sunday. Now, there are no classes on Sunday, so this is how easy it is to do the attendance for the days when there are no classes. No classes today. Scroll down and click Submit. And if you go back in, you will see 0 hours for each person. It actually doesn't look any different than if you have submitted, and then if you haven't submitted attendance. But once you do that, I now know that attendance has been entered. Okay? And I can backspace back to this screen. So now I'm going to enter attendance for Monday, February 6th, and the students were in classes for 4 hours today. So the first thing I have to do is I have to tell SAS how many hours you would expect them to be in class. 4 hours expected. Now, on this day, every student attended for all 4 hours. And notice that there are 3 students, Wilma, Betty, and Bam Bam. If all students had perfect attendance, click on that button, click Submit. If you go back in and have a look, you will see the expected hours and the actual hours have all been auto-populated for you. So that is how you enter attendance when there's no class. That's how you enter attendance when everyone had perfect attendance. So now we're going to move to Tuesday. This is an example of one person being away. So again, the class is 4 hours long. You expect everyone to be in class for 4 hours. Okay, all students did not have perfect attendance. Wilma was there for 4 hours. Betty was there for 3 hours. Maybe she had to leave early, she came in late, whatever. And Bam Bam was there for 3 hours and 45 minutes, so he was there for 3.75 hours. Okay? So it is by decimal by hour, it's not by minutes. So Bam Bam was 15 minutes late, so he was there for 3.75 hours. You do need to enter attendance to 15-minute increments. Okay? So that's it. I just submit. And there we go. That's my attendance for the day when Betty and Bam Bam did not have perfect attendance. This is, you can always see the day of the week right up here, Wednesday. Now, if you had a note, it was a snow day, class was canceled. If class never was supposed to happen, it was canceled before it ever happened, it's 0 expected hours, no class, actually, sorry, you don't even need to do that 0. No classes today. It was a snow day, classes were canceled. But you've got that note in there so we know why we're saying no classes. Okay? So no classes today. I know when you look at it, this all shows as an automatic 0, but you do have to go in and click that no classes today. Otherwise, it will look like attendance is missing, and I won't know if it's just missing or if there was no class. So you do have to go in and click that. Okay, now we're going to do another day. We're going to say on Thursday, class was canceled early. It was originally a 4-hour class, but 2 hours into the class, it was canceled. Okay, so it was supposed to be a 4-hour class, but it ended up only being a 2-hour class. You're going to put in the expected hours were 2 hours. Okay, and if everyone was there for 2 hours, you can use this button. If they weren't all there for 2 hours, maybe Wilma did not make it in because of the weather, but maybe Bam Bam and Betty did. Okay? That is how you would record a class that was canceled in the middle of the day, right? Betty and Bam Bam got 2 hours. Wilma didn't make it in. She missed 2 hours of classes. Okay? And on the Friday, again, we're going to say 4 hours, all students were there, enter it. There you go, your attendance is done. And Saturday, no classes today, submit, and you are done. That is how you enter attendance for regular classroom attendance when all the students in your class are doing the same, coming into the class for the same expected time periods. If you have any questions, email right here, email registrar@jobready.ca, or ask your campus manager. Thank you.